This is a tutorial on mechanical assembly of film printer. First, open the packaging and check the attachments. Place bracket accessories such as videos. Open the cover of the host and remove the accessories. 1. Additional nozzles purchased by customers. 2. Inside the bag are flash drive, dongle, cleaning cotton swabs, etc. 3. Moisturizing solution. 4. Adhesive powder. 5. Non-woven fabric. 6. Power cord. The column with the basket is located on the right side of the equipment if we face the front of the equipment. Place the cross beam on the slots of the two pillars. Align the bolt holes and tighten the bolts. Before installing the bolts, first, place a spring washer and then a flat washer. Tighten the bolts on both sides of the crossbeam wind. Invert the bracket and prepare to install the base with wheels. Align the bolt holes and tighten the bolts. On the other side, perform the same operation. Flip the bracket over and stand it upright. Installing the printing film holder. The bracket should be pushed forward and tightened before tightening the bolts. Otherwise, it is easy to cause the film to deviate, which is very important. On the other side, perform the same operation. Insert a smooth bracket first. When inserting another smooth bracket, pass through the black left and right roller brackets in sequence. Tighten all bolts. Lift the printer host onto the bracket. Align the bolt holes with the bottom bracket. Tighten the bolts. There are 4 bolts on each side. Extend the computer cable outside the equipment. Link the waste ink discharge pipe to the waste ink bucket. Clean the printing platform stickers and place the press board properly. Lift the handle of the paper roller. Placing printing film. The leftmost side of the film is 1 centimeter beyond the first paper roller. Pass the film through the printing table and press it under the press board. Pull it back and align it with the drum. Check parallelism. The printed film pulled back should be flush with the drum. Otherwise, the bracket needs to be readjusted. Press the handle of the paper roller. Removing the headlock. Remove the screws here and remove the front lock. Power cord into the printer. This is the power cord. Plug it into the power supply. This is the data cable. Plug it into the computer. This is the ground wire, connected to the ground wire. Thank you for your patience in watching.